Alright guys, what's up guys? This your boy Mr. Kaiser here. Welcome back to Math with Mr. Kaiser, and today's lesson we're gonna be talking about ratios. Alright, let's get straight to it. Alright, what is a ratio? A ratio is a way to compare two values. Oh, let me do that. Let me do that again. Okay. Two values. It could be two objects, two numbers, two numbers. You're just comparing two quantities. That's basically all you're doing. Okay? So next, there are three ways to write or represent a ratio. Okay? So one way you can write a ratio is using a colon. And what is a colon? So a colon is it's just two dots. One on top and one on the bottom. They're on top of each other. And let me show you an example of a ratio using a colon. So 2, 2, or colon, 4. So how would you read it? It's 2 to 4. Since 2 is the first number that comes first, and 4 is the second number that comes first. Let me give you another example. 7 to 10. Wait, let me color code it. Excuse me, let me color code it. Okay. 7 to 10. Okay. All right, got the first way. The second way, using the word two. Okay, so using the word two. So for example, we're gonna use the same numbers. 2 gonna go first. 2, 4. Next example, 7 to 10. All right. And the third and final way, write a ratio in fraction form. All right. For example, 2 is going to be on top, which is the numerator because it comes first. And order does matter, okay? So 2, don't forget the fraction bar. So 2 over 4. Let's go for the second example. So we got 7. Since 7 comes first, it's going to be on top. And 10 is going to be your denominator, which is the bottom number of a fraction. Okay? And let me tell y'all, there is one rule you should always go by when dealing with ratios. Order does matter. So whatever comes first, whatever object, whatever number comes first, is always going to be first, okay? And let me tell y'all, for the next video, I'm gonna have some problems we're gonna work out together so you can get it. But right now, I'm just explaining the concept of a ratio, okay? So stay tuned for the next video. All right, peace out. Mr. Kaiser is outie.